Welcome to Crown Paint's Procurement Portal. Please use the link provided or just type kxm.crownpaints.co.ke. You are an existing supplier, but you are yet to update your details in the Supplier Portal. Please click on Become Supplier. This is your gateway to a streamlined and efficient procurement process. Our portal is designed to simplify your procurement journey with Crown Paints by offering key features. These include the ability to view and respond to requests for quotes, that is RFQs, access awarded purchase orders, and manage deliveries. Submit invoices for goods and services delivered. And lastly, you'll be able to view remittance details for all processed payments. Select the company, that is Crown Paints. Are you an existing supplier with Crown Paints Kenya PLC? Select Yes. Category: Local. For the email address, please type in your registered official email address that Crown Paints team has. This will automatically call up your company name and the applicable currency. Please enter your password. Confirm password and agree to the data privacy policy by checking that box. And then sign up. You have successfully signed up. Please note, an activation code has been sent to your official registered email, and proceed to log in. On the login page, select the company as Crown Paints Kenya PLC. Please, again, type in your registered email address. Avoid copying the email and select the vendor and enter your password and log in. On the validation pop-up, please enter the validation code as received in your email address and validate. You have successfully logged on to the home page. Select the company, and you will note that the profile appears as Not Approved. Please complete the various tabs to have your profile approved, starting with the full name of the company, automatically completed. Then, fill in the business registration number, company type, limited company, director's name. Enter the name of one of the directors and his director ID and the contact telephone number. Then, the currency will be automatically updated. Please save the profile and proceed with the Contacts tab. Complete the address, the town, the postal code, and also the phone number. The email. These will be called up automatically from the information saved, and click Save. Proceed to the Taxes tab. Your PIN is updated automatically, or you can select the tax obligation that is on the VAT, the applicable class, and the applicable rate, and add the tax rate, and then save. Go with me to the Banking tab. Select the country. The county you can pick from the drop-down, the streets, your bank, and the branch. And then complete the account name and the account number. Proceed to the Ownership section and complete the business registration number. Select the company ownership type, the ID number of one of the directors, the name of the director, and the phone number of the director, and then select the ownership percentage, and then add if you have more than one director. You can repeat the process and add the second director, the full name, the phone number, and the percentage of ownership. And then after adding the director details, save the profile and proceed to the attachment section for the proof of banking. Proceed to the attachment section for the proof of banking. You either require a canceled check or a bank letter. Please attach on the proof of ownership. Attach a copy of Director's ID. And for the PIN certificate, attach the PIN certificate of the company. Save the profile and proceed to the Evaluation tab. The evaluation questionnaire comprises of various questions that you need to complete with regard to our supplier evaluation. Please complete them genuinely. Starting with the litigation section, complete as applicable. Proceed to the business compliance continuity section. Again, complete as accurate as possible on technical specifications. Then, service level agreement and on client references. Then, complete the financials and business sustainability section and the management policies section. Lastly, complete the declaration and save the profile. If you have not completed any of the questions, please note that you can't proceed. Just recheck. Save. Your profile has been successfully updated, and you can log in for further details. Thank you.